Oh, hello there. This is Lisa Swank, and you know it's time for our review or tip video. And since I haven't gotten any new products to review or read any new art books, as I am away from my home right now helping my mother recuperate from surgery, and so I decided that since spring is popping out here around my mother's, that I would do some collecting of some different things that I'm going to use to paint with or put I'll show you through the process of what I'm going to do with this, and then I will probably come back at the end. And I should remind everybody that this is for my creative year Facebook free art journaling group. If you like to join, is all you would have to do is click on the link below in the description box, and I think there's like 3 questions that you have to answer, and one of us will view that and let you come on in and join the fun Facebook group. We're having a lot of fun over there, and my tongue is getting a little tied. So I just thought, I don't know, maybe it's Easter themed. It is Easter tomorrow, and well, by the time you see this, Easter will have been past, but it is the day before Easter. And I'm going to try to do something with these plants that I've collected from the outdoors, to make some marks, to kind of put a background on a page. It's a real fun thing to do. You can do it with found objects around the house, lids, different shaped lids. But I decided, since all this color was blooming outside, I was going to collect some of it. All right, so without further ado, I will be back in a second. Bye-bye now. Okay, I'm back, and I wanted to, do some scribbled lines, and the only pens that I have with me are a few Sharpies that my daughter brought up to me, and I was just kind of sketchily scribbling around in these flowers to kind of bring them out, show them off a little bit from the busy background. And I've mixed up some primary colors so I can make a dark. There is a motorcycle just going up and down. It's probably a teenager that's causing the dogs to bark. But I'm going to mix up those three colors to give me a dark. It's not going to be quite black, but hopefully I can manage to get a pretty dark color in there. And because I wanted to just put a few dots in the center to indicate that these are flowers. And oops, okay, I went overboard, and I'm losing my tip there. Could have maybe found a smaller brush. But I wanted to finish this off. I did try and put a little white Caran d'Ache to kind of knock the busyness of the foliage that I put down. I'll show you what it looks like. Well, that's okay. You get the point, I hope. And I did take a white Caran d'Ache here and there to knock some of the stuff back that is around the flowers, and I'll show you what I mean here. And it, it still shows the background, but it's kind of, it helps bring those flowers out, I think. I don't have many supplies with me, so I'm just kind of using what I have. And but I hope this is a pretty good tip. You can go out and gather nature plants from outside to use, and that's going to be too dark. This is the one. Maybe I did have a paper towel here, but my little arting space here at my mom's is very, very small. But it's kind of, it's an abstract-y type thing here, and I really like how it turned out. I may put a border on this, and I may not. The white just kind of knocks the background a little back, and your flowers pop out just a little bit more. But I wanted to just pop back on here and let you know what I've done, and this is my tip video. You don't have to have a lot of supplies to create. It sure is a busy page, and but I'm done with it now, and I hope you enjoyed my process. And again, if you like to join the free journaling group, it is called My Creative Year, and it's a Facebook group, and I'll have the link below to where you might join it. Okay? All right. Bye-bye now.